In today's video, we will be knowing about 5 most mysterious lost worlds on Earth. Number 1. Mount Roraima, Venezuela, Brazil and Guyana. Mount Roraima is one of the mysterious sites in South America that is included in our list today. The top portion of Roraima is flat and not pointy like other mountains in the world. The flat top of this mountain covers around 31 square kilometers of area. It was first known to the outside world by an English pilgrim named Sir Walter Raleigh during an expedition in 1995. The most interesting thing about Roraima is that its tipping point falls in 3 different countries: Venezuela, Guyana and Brazil. Geographically, Mount Roraima is the highest to the pocket chain of tabletop mountains in South America. This looks like a floating island way up in the sky. Number 2. Cheng City, China. Cheng is an ancient city established about 1300 years ago, now lies at the 26 to 40 meters deep underwater. This city acquired the name Cheng from the nearby Wuxi mountain, which is located just behind the city. The city and the valley were deliberately flooded in 1959 to create an artificial lake and hydroelectric power station. Surprisingly, the city hasn't eroded much and the building's walls, even the wooden ones, details remained. Currently, a film crew was commissioned to recall this ancient city. The archaeologists were overwhelmed by how well preserved Cheng is. However, there are no tourist facilities for diving right now, but hopefully in the future the site will be open for everyone to view. Number 3. City of Thonis. Another magnificent place on earth was an ancient Egyptian city whose history goes back to the 12th century BC. It was built on adjoining islands in the Nile Delta and was cut off by canals and harbors. It was visited by the Helen of Troy also. But by the 2nd century BC, Alexandria had taken over as the main port and Thonis was neglected. It was Egypt's largest Mediterranean port before Alexander the Great founded Alexandria in 331 BC. The destruction of the city was further quickened by earthquakes followed by tsunamis. The city went under the seawater and became part of the history. It wasn't until 1933 when an RAF commander flew over the area and saw the ruins in the water that our first modern day glimpse of the city came into play. Number 4. Bosavi Crater, Papua New Guinea. Mount Bosavi is a mountain in the Southern Highlands province, Papua New Guinea. It is the collapsed cone of an extinct volcano on the Great Papuan Plateau, part of the Kikori River Basin. It is a 3,000 feet deep, 4 km wide and 1 km deep hollow space, which has recently found to be the home of an ecosystem isolated place in the world. The cone of the volcano collapsed during its last eruption around 2 lakhs years ago. It was investigated in 2009 by an expedition of scientists by an BBC crew for our documentary film Lost Land of the Volcano. Bosavi is home to several unique species. It was discovered more than 40 unknown species, like a giant rat measuring up to 82 centimeters in length. Number 5. Lake Vostok, Antarctica. Lake Vostok is the largest of Antarctica's almost 400 known subglacial lakes. Lake Vostok is located at the southern pole of cold beneath Russia's Vostok station under the surface of the central East Antarctic ice sheet, which is at 3488 meter above the main sea level. It's about the extent of Lake Ontario, but twice as deep. It has been sealed off from the rest under 2.5 millions of ice for 15 million years. Scientists' tests brought the sample from Lake Vostok. They found a variety of life with unknown DNA thriving in the lake. This could mean that there could be a lost world inside this lake. If you like our work, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share with your friends, and click subscribe to stay up with Light Up your world.